Do you find minimalist fashion to be kind of depressing? Does all that white make you think of dentists and all that black of, well, funerals? If so, you probably haven't heard of the trend warm minimalism. Recently, this trend has been all over both interior design and fashion, but in this video I'll focus on the fashion side of things. If you're curious about the warm minimalism interior design trend, I've already made a video about it, link in the description. Although warm minimalist fashion has some overarching themes like warm neutral colors, low contrasting patterns, natural materials, simplicity in styling, and buying less, there are a few subgenres of this trend, some different takes on the same concept. So let's take a look at some of these different interpretations of warm minimalism to see if any of them is something that you would like to try yourself at home. Probably the warm minimalist you're most likely to spot in the wild is the basics addict. It's all about leisurely cool. A lot of straight cut denim, many white t-shirts, black turtlenecks and navy blazers. This minimalist is all about affordable but high quality. White simple canvas sneakers or black simple loafers with maybe a gold chain or a men's watch as the only accessory. It flirts with menswear and is often oversized and comfortable. The colors are navy, denim, beige and whites, and this trend started way back with Coco Chanel's wind jackets and fisherman's jumpers and went through Burberry utility to the affordable Scandi brands out today. This look is easy to style, easy to shop and easy to love. It will never ever go out of style and it is completely safe to invest in. If you want to try minimalist fashion, this is the beginner spot to start. There are other reasons to be a minimalist dresser except the aesthetics. The Environmentalist is the minimalist style that cares more about carbon neutrality and eco-fibers than style icons and Japanese silhouettes. Luckily, more and more brands are getting on the sustainability trend, and every season it gets easier to look good as well as feel good about your planetary impact. Recycled fabrics and plant materials like tencel and linen make up a huge part of the Environmentalist wardrobe, and the colors are unbleached, muted, natural, like khaki, navy, green and beige. Above all, the Environmentalist goes for second-hand. Maybe not the most striking or cohesive minimalist style visually, but in the future, it's what we'll all be wearing. More power to them. Do you want me to make more of these minimalist or Scandi trend videos, by the way? Let me know by giving me a thumb and subscribing, and please tell me if you have any requests for upcoming videos. Like maybe the most iconic Scandi looks to get inspired by, for example, if you're into that kind of thing. Looking back at old school minimalist fashion, the boss is probably what comes to mind. Square-shaped suits, monochromatic color schemes, severely cropped bob haircuts. The 80s and 90s yuppie did a lot to bring minimalist fashion into the mainstream, but today the boss minimalist dresses less severely. Warm minimalism is all about softening up the often hard and strict by rounding off the silhouettes and warming up the color scheme and softening the stark black and white shades into browns and beige and rusts and sands. Today, the boss minimalist looks more casual and comfortable in tone-on-tone, soft round bags, easy breezy light fabrics and oversized silhouettes. It's still power dressing, it's still all about business and confidence, just with a touch more warmth and roundness. A big thank you to Vivaya for sponsoring me today. You know I've been wearing Vivaya shoes for quite a while now and my feet couldn't be happier. Recently I've been trying the new and improved Aria 5 shoe, and it is one of those shoes that you can just wear and walk around in all day long, from morning to night. Whether you're meeting up with friends or going to the food shop to pick up some veggies for tonight's dinner, or just when you want to take a walk through the city, and why not when going to work, they look casual and professional at the same time. I got the natural peach color, which goes really well with more or less everything in my minimalist and neutral color wardrobe. They also have them in black, green and blue, and I'm just dying to get my hands on the green ones. Speaking of eco-minimalist fashion, each pair of this shoe is made from 6 plastic bottles and spun into yarn using a 3D printing technique. And listen to this, all the styles are either hand or machine washable, so they're super easy to take care of and the quality is just great. They also have a memory foam heel padding for that extra comfort when walking around all day. You can also just fold them completely and pop them into a bag, so they're super great to travel with since they're still easy to store in your hand luggage. I myself have a whole little collection from Vivaya by now, and I use them like all the time. And regarding size, I'm usually in between a European 38 and 39, so with Vivaya Vivaya shoes, I go for 38 or 38.5 in flats, and I go for 39 in boots. So who wants their own pair of Vivaya shoes? If so, whichever ones you fancy, I leave links below, so go take a look, and why not invest in eco-friendly, sustainable, vegan shoes this spring? Just click the link below and check out all of Vivaya's gorgeous footwear. They have worldwide shipping over $75 so click the link below to get your own pair. Thank you so much to Vivaya, and let's get back to the video. Speaking of a tone on tone and softness, the next warm minimalist style on my list is the Comfort Queen. Okay, picture this: a beautiful home, a pot of Japanese sencha brewing in a pot, a coffee table filled with books of art and architecture. This is where the Comfort Queen lives. So naturally, her wardrobe needs to fit the part. Long sleeved knit maxi dresses, soft as hell menswear slacks without a belt, linen shirts and tencel tops. This style is all about ease, and above all else, quality. This is understated luxury at its peak. Now, this is actually not about sacrificing style for comfort. This is comfort as style. The slouchier, the softer, the more muted the tones, the prettier. If you're wearing anything that pinches or itches or scratches or feels stiff, you're failing at comfort queening. Skip the jewelry, skip the belts and watches and doing your hair. The cleaner and simpler, the better. Bonus points for walking barefoot and carrying around a classic beige pencil to write with on unlined paper. What do you think? Is warm minimalism for you? Which one of these styles is your favorite? I can't decide. I love both the boss style and the Comfort Queen so much. Well, let's talk in the comments and see what you think. Also, don't forget to check out my warm minimalism interior design video as well, and give me a thumb if you like this one. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and mine and David's home tour channel too. Links in the description, of course. Thank you so much for hanging out today. This was fun. Puss puss and hej då!